I don't think they like that. Don't hit me, buddy. Oh, he's swinging it out a little bit closer, huh?
Well, if you want the hole dug right.
That's right. Gotta have your son do it. Caden, how old are you?
6.
Just turned 6. Doing a great job. That was a good dump. Yeah, make sure you get that bucket emptied out all the way. Good finesse.
Yeah, those are full level buckets every time. He's getting efficient usage out of this thing.
What are you doing?
Ow, Dad!
What?
I'm the
Is this excavator safety?
yeah, I'm the OSHA inspector and making sure everything is going. The two fathers overseeing, literally. That's right. That's right. Overseeing. That's right. We're raising well-equipped children.
That's right. It's in good hands, Dad. Don't worry. We got David running the Bobcat and Caden running the excavator.
I love the jig.
What do you think?
Caden, what are you doing here? He's got it figured out.
It's amazing how fast they pick it up. He's digging a big hole.
Did you get him started, or did he?
Yeah. I sat with him for 10 minutes.
Where's the?
I think he's away from the drain. Hope he swings it the right way. Oh, Caden, what was that? Was the pressure on?
Yeah, I was accidentally dumping.
Pull that all the way up. All the way up. Push it up. There you go.
Yeah, Kirk said he can't even run this thing.
No.
So what does that tell you? Here we got some little kid.
Okay, don't get too close to it, bud. It's a good hole, buddy. Is that how deep you wanted it?
No.
Big hole.
You want it
big
deeper?
hole.
Yeah. Oh.
It's a sweet little thing.
What does Mom think of son running the mini excavator?
I can't believe it. Is he gonna tip over?
No?
No. I'll go get it. Going forward.
Tip over nah.
I can't believe it. Are you gonna show that?
It'll go slow. See how it's going slow? Just go left and right.
How do you guys think?
Okay, I'm gonna run the bucket because it's a foot feet. Now what you do is you push forward. It's just like run the excavator. Push it forward, you go forward. Okay? Okay, spin it.
This way?
Yep. Get up there. Okay, let's go check out Kale and Ethan.
This is his first time.
Action.
Hi Ethan, you're doing a great job, bud.
You're right. Now dump it. So just out. There you go. Okay.
I love you too, Adam. You're awesome.
Very good. More, a little more, a little more.
What do you think, Ethan? I'll leave you alone. Sorry, you're focusing.